Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find apps and notifications. Now let's tap on apps. And here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. Of course, your device will right now inform you what it will actually reset, so among others, default apps for actions and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so it's 100% safe. Simply tap on Reset, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in this HUAWEI device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.